Hey mates, you have a shop, a restaurant, or any kind of brick and mortar business and you want to get paid with Bitcoin. So I'll show you how to set up a point of sale system that will allow you to get Bitcoin via Lightning. It's very easy. People just scan the QR code and you get paid. No hassle, no setup, no nothing. There is many ways to do that. The custodial way, use a third-party app. In this case, I'm going to show you how to do it with the wallet of Satoshi. It's like a bank basically, but non-KYC. They keep your crypto, the Bitcoin, but immediately when you get paid, move it to another wallet that is non-custodial. And the other method is to use your own node, and then it's full custodial and life's good. You get the funds directly, but it's a bit technical, and I notice people don't like the technical solution. They like a turnkey solution that's already work. So I will show you how to set up wallet of Satoshi point of sale. There's many apps that do that, but the wallet of Satoshi is very easy. It's so easy that even if you have zero background and you just know how to operate a phone, you will manage to do that. So let's begin. Cheers. As you can see, this is the website. You have screenshots, how it's work, social media, frequently asked questions. As you can see, it supports Google Play, Android, Apple, App Store. You have support. They are actually very good providing support when there is issue. They block one of my payments. I paid like $300 and they block it, but when I send like 6 times $50 payment, it passed. So you need to take it with a grain of salt. Don't large payments. Small one is okay. Wallet of Satoshi, the world's simplest Bitcoin Lightning wallet. Of course, because they it's all on the server side. They do everything for you. It's custodial. You don't hold your funds. Okay, this is the wallet, but I want the point of sale. Let's say someone want to pay you for you sell a sandwich or something in your shop. You download the app, and the sandwich costs like $10, right? So you enter the price, click on it, and ta-da! You have the QR code. The customer scanned with the Lightning wallet and you get the funds straightly to your account. So here I don't have nothing, but you will see the transaction history. You know what? Let me try. So let's say my sandwich cost me like $1.11. Okay, click. You know what? Let's add a note. $1. Okay, add note. Okay, now I will scan with my other wallet. Let's scan. I open my wallet, scanning. Okay, and I sent it. Okay, payment sent, payment received. Okay, and I got the funds. Okay, now transaction history, you see you got paid $1. Where the funds go to? I guess to the wallet. Let's close it. Okay, yeah, I have in my wallet now, you see $1 that got paid. Now if you don't want to lose this wallet, you need to register. You enter your email address and then you have access to this wallet all the time as long as you have this email address available. So if you log in, register, you will always have the access to this wallet. Now let's take the funds out of this wallet. So as I mentioned, this is a custodial wallet. They hold your funds. You see there's no seed phrase. You log in with email and that's kind of your bank account. I had an issue before that I tried to send $300 and the transaction stuck, so I contact support and say wait a couple of minutes, and then the funds was back in my wallet, and then I said like $50 each time and it's passed. So don't keep large amounts of money in this wallet, just send small amounts each time. I have generated an invoice in my non-custodial wallet and I will use this Lightning invoice to take the funds out of the wallet of Satoshi. Send, paste, send, voila, and we got the money out of the custodial wallet. Still have a bit here, but never mind, I don't mind. That's the price of making content. You lose 2 cents. That was my 2 cents advice for you. If you have any questions, let me know. And have a nice day. Cheers.